I just received this 8-inch pan in exchange for my review. Let's test it out and see if it's really a non-stick one. It arrives nicely packaged, which I always appreciate. I actually love having a smaller pan like this on hand, especially when I'm cooking just for myself. It's lightweight, it's easy to handle, and doesn't take up much space on the stove. This one has a ceramic nonstick coating and a stainless steel handle that feels really sturdy, and it stays cool while I'm cooking. You can also move it from stovetop to oven, which is super convenient. As you can see, I'm making sunny side up eggs, and this is where you can really tell if a pan is truly non-stick. The eggs literally just slide right off. And it also heats up quickly and cooks evenly. Overall, this is a great little pan that's a must-have in every kitchen, especially if you love cooking simple meals. Definitely check it out. Great quality pan.